Ever felt like a project manager in a circus, juggling stakeholder demands that pull your team in 10 directions? The Stakeholder Management Pack cuts through the chaos with battle tested tools, stakeholder mapping matrices with power interest grids, racy diagram builders for accountability clarity, communication plan templates with cadence automation, and expectation traceability frameworks to lock down scope. Say goodbye to the herding cats playbook. This is for project managers, team leads, and PMO specialists who want to turn stakeholder friction into strategic fuel. Let's align those expectations and maybe save your sanity. Here's what's inside the Stakeholder Management Pack: data preparation with stakeholder segmentation models, dynamic engagement strategy builders using influence impact scoring, communication plan generators with channel optimization, expectation management workflows tied to sprint retrospectives, risk mitigation modules for high conflict stakeholders. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your command center for human dynamics in projects. Installing the Stakeholder Management Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add stakeholder-management-pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: mapping templates, strategy frameworks, and communication blueprints downloaded instantly. Your next Claude Code session autoloads the modules. Your AI assistant now speaks stakeholder strategy. Think racy diagrams on demand, conflict resolution prompts, and engagement cadence alerts. No PhD in diplomacy required. Just type, deploy, and watch your stakeholders rally behind your vision, like magic, but make it project management.